So apparently I walked right past it and didn't see it. It's called the Shell.
You don't know?
No, right there, I see it now. It is right here. Thank you. Can I get a seat?
What was that?
Can I sit anywhere?
For how many?
One. I got a bar. So we made it. We're here at IAU, and we're gonna have some breakfast, and we're gonna see what it tastes like. In words of Sean, we're gonna see what it tastes like. Thank you so much.
Should I give you a couple minutes to look over the menu? What do you think?
Classic apple juice, y'all. Well, look at that. This is what this is chicken sausage with some kind of sauce, an egg, pickles, and bread. 2 forms of sauce. We're gonna see what that's like. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks so scrumptious and looks filling, like it's big enough where I can actually get full off of this. We'll see about that. So what we're doing right now is, y'all, we're gonna just walk all the way down here. We got some time. Walk down here, see what's down here. We'll turn back around. We'll come back and get something to eat. The place doesn't close to 4, so just walk with me, y'all. This must be popping. It's called Call Your Mother. Hey, boy. It's big. Food smells good. I ain't gonna lie. Food definitely smells good.
That's right next to.
I feel like this is definitely something like kind of like a mini village. That's what I feel like a mini village in New York. All the stores so close together. Everybody walking. Mad different, like diverse people. It's crazy. It's nice though. Lola's.
They're actually small.
Crazy Aunt Helen's. Different names. So it's all like small businesses. It's kind of dope. Like no major name brands. Nothing fancy. It's dope. I feel like you'll see these like in a movie or something. Roses. How to the cheapest. Like a lot of pets here. A lot of pet stores. I am just mostly dogs. Oh, there's a psychic right here. Valor Brew Pub. Psychic up there. Beer and wine. It's like a liquor store, I guess. Yeah. Jackson Hewitt Tax Services. I think we are going to flip and go on the other side because I think this is the furthest that all the stores go. So, licensed medical dispensary, cannabis. We're gonna go on the other side. We don't want to spend more. We got a couple more stores, but let's just cross over, all right? Hold on one second. A lot of the cops are like I seen was black. That's surprising. Like I haven't seen that many black cops in the place since East Orange. How you doing, man? Is this what is this building right here?
This is the Marine Barracks, Washington.
It's the Marine Barracks. So like the Marines?
Yeah.
Okay. And so the band thing that you're doing is the same thing on that thing right there?
So that's like the quarters where we stay.
Okay.
This is where everyone works. This is like building 8, 9, and then this is like this is pretty much like the oldest post of Marine.
Okay.
Been here since 1813.
1813?
Actually 1801.
We did a couple remodels.
Yeah, they can do it.
Thanks, man.
Sure, take care.
Oh man, that's crazy. Oh yeah, okay. See, I didn't see that when I was walking past where it says Marine Barracks, y'all. I did not see that. That's crazy. Record this too. Hold on. Row Heritage Trail. That's what this, I guess this is. Barracks Row Heritage Trail. Dance Studios, State Farm. Oh man, I got so lucky. Well, we got so lucky because it's such a beautiful day. Could have been raining, could have been freezing cold, but nope. Perfect day. Sun is shining. Stores are open, and it is definitely a Brooklyn vibe. NBA. Jenny's Ice Creams. Got an ice cream store right here. Jean's Eyes Karaoke. That's a straight karaoke spot. Indian restaurant. Ooh, that'd be dope. If I wanted my stomach to fill, if I wanted to get some flavor, but they don't care about my stomach feel, it's called Bombay Street Food. Bombay Street Food, okay. That's kind of dope. Then right next to it, it's got like a Japanese restaurant, I believe. And then Extreme Pizza. I'm hearing the pizza in DC is really good. Yeah, so we're gonna figure out Bellarium. Bellarium is crazy. What is this? Honda King. I'm guessing it's like a theater. It's like a theater, so they like people perform and stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is so. Oh, it's like I gotta fix my shoe. Oh, let me fix my shoe, y'all. Oh. I'll fix it later. More dogs. That's huge. That's packed too. Playa Ocho. Guess it's like Mexican. And now we're back here.